have two fascinating books for coaches that may not be ones that you have heard of or seen before. This first one, more than likely, you have, but it is Drive by Daniel Pink. So it is all about motivation theory, and it says the surprising truth about what motivates us. So with this one, it talks about how autonomy, mastery, and purpose all have to be present for there to be motivation. It also talks about what they call sticks and carrots, so rewards and consequences for things. Interestingly, what they found is that if there's a task that doesn't require creative thinking, then sticks and carrots are fine, rewards and that sort of thing. But if there's something that involves creativity, then rewards don't make a difference. People need time. But those ideas of them feeling like they have the ability to do what they need to do, that it is important to them, and that there's a purpose behind it. So Drive is an excellent read. Second, you maybe haven't seen this one before, Influencer. This is by Grenny Patterson and others. And this is one, I referenced a book the other day, and I said that I had another one. It was Crucial, sorry about that, Crucial Conversations. So same authors. So this one is truly fascinating. It dives into what has to be present in order for there to be actual change. So on this one, I will zoom into this graphic that I had flagged on one page. The idea is that for real change to happen, there has to be motivation and ability. This may be backwards for you, but these aspects that are listed going down, personal components, there has to be a social component, and there has to be a structural component. And this is all for there to be real, true, and lasting change. Fascinating to think about in terms of as a coach and what you can provide for teachers. So the two books on coaching about motivation and change are Influencer and Drive. I hope you guys like these.